Welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to specifically talk about dropping a radius on the map, but I'm going to remind you how radius work in general. So we know that we can go to our toolbox and go to the radius tool and type in an address wherever we'd like. We know that we could find ourselves and put the radius around us. We know that we can right-click and add a radius wherever you've right-clicked, and of course, clicking on a location and adding a radius this way always drops that address in. But there's also this tool on the right-hand side. This allows you to drop a radius wherever you'd like it to be. When you click, that adds it, and then without clicking any longer, we're going to drag it. So I'm not clicking my mouse, I'm just dragging it out and sliding it back in. You see the mileage is changing. I'm doing this really big just as an example. And when you're done, you click again and it will stay there. We know that we can click into this radius and we can edit the radius. We can change the proximity within, the mileage. We can change it to kilometers as well here, but you do have that capability of adding that. You can always remove it from here or here. And you can have as many of these on the map as you need. Drop them as you need to, and of course if you're close you'll be able to make much smaller radius than what I'm doing. So just remember, it's click, you won't really see anything, then slide your map without clicking any longer and it will give you the size, and you'll see the size of that as you click, and then you can see all of the other information over here. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.